while we're right here, check out the new boots from Hi-C. Y'all go check them out, hic.com, if you are into ankle rubber boots, ankle high rubber boots for like fishing or whatever. Hic.com. Use the code N2Deep. So IN, the number 2, and then deep, N2Deep for 15% off. Yo, let's see what happens right here on lane 5. Uh-oh, we got somebody going overboard. They're getting in the water. He just climbed over the port gunnel there. And I think he's gonna ride her on out like that, standing on the, all right. What is he, the garbage man? This guy's the garbage man. Got people hanging off the gunnel on the left. Check out the port side. We got some feed action there. Oh, and they're gonna start drifting hard. Guys, you gotta get the flags down. When you've got wind, anything over 10, 15 knots, you've gotta get the flags in. That's just like a big old kite. This crew right here is in trouble. They're fighting the wind. They've got so much drag, it's not even funny, and they're in there almost completely sideways. And it's not looking good for this crew here. Oh, we're gonna do the split. Is she gonna, oh! Likely, no. They're a little off to the right, but I think they're going to drift right in there. They're looking better, and they're going to have it. Easy. Looks like our crew that was on lane 2 and 3 here, looks like they're backing back down. I don't know if it slid back off the bow stop or if they got it in there a little crooked. I mean, it looks a little crooked, but not terrible. I mean, well, maybe it doesn't look good, but let's see what's going to happen here. good to me. They're gonna nail it. They've got it. All right, here we go. Channel follower. Can he do it in the wind? What's up, friends? Welcome back to the channel. Another episode here at the launch at ICW. It is a beautiful Saturday afternoon, and hey, the chaos has already begun. So let's take a look here at the pontoon in lane 7 and let's see what we've got cracking. Oh, we got the drift going. We've got the drift going, guys. Oh my. Oh my, he's in trouble. He's in trouble. Boop. He just needs to back down to starboard hard and reset. Get about 10 feet off that starboard side of that trailer. Yeah, it looks like he's going to keep on struggling. That wind has really got him. He's in a jam there. Let's swing over here to lane 1 real quick. Now we're going to check in. It looks like they're going to get it right on up in there and back to 7. Bumper boat off the stern here. Oh, he's in trouble. He's gonna have to come all the way out of there, I believe. I just saw a shark over there earlier. I saw a shark over there. Get out of the water. It was big.
Pretty big. A little bit. I don't want it.
I'm just telling you to get out of the water. Appreciate it. The Big Dan Show. Yeah.